Cadillac was designed with class in mind. This 2017 Escalade is infused with chrome accents that just really shine in the light, as you can see. And everybody in your neighborhood are going to be turning their heads as you drive through driving this beautiful Escalade. It is an Escalade, not an ESV, so it's going to be a little bit shorter. And it does have a tow package hidden underneath the cover, so you can pull the boat down to the lake in style. Moving up front, we do have wood grain interior throughout, as well as Bose sound system, which pairs awesomely with the Bluetooth as you're hooking up your phone to drive down to the lake. It does come with four-wheel drive. Looking at the steering wheel, we do have a ton of hands-free options, including blind spot assist, lane departure. It is a digital cluster there that gives you a ton of options to control stuff like your radio straight from the dash, so you don't have to take your eyes off the road. It does come with navigation as well, and a secret compartment hidden underneath. You can charge your phone and stuff underneath there. It also has heated and cooled seats, a ton of options, sunroof. Taking a look in the back, it does come with that third row. It's all leather. And the wood grain continues in the back. Some of the features your kids are gonna love is the Blu-ray DVD player, as well as plenty of USB ports down here to hook up all of their devices, and heated seats, as well as climate control and easy access to that third row where you do have plenty of space to be able to fit car seats. Looking in the trunk, it is a little bit smaller, but it does have a couple of cool features where you can, with a push of a button, fold down the back seats to give you more space and storage for groceries, as well as a push of a button you can fold down the second row for more space.